Hey guys, today let's learn how to make money with Canva templates. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn money online by making your own Canva templates in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the Canva application. So if you don't really have this downloaded just yet, I would like you guys to proceed with downloading it on your devices. Once that is already done, basically the Canva program and this specific application does have a specific program that it offers to its users to apply and also post some of their own Canva templates so that they can earn money. So of course, what we can do is to first of all, we need to go ahead and sign in over on our account. So we do have this option to sign in over on our account right here, as you see right here. You could also go ahead and see our account settings and view all of the details about our account, as you see right there. So of course, from here, if you would like to go ahead and create your own Canva templates, of course, you need to go ahead and basically just start creating some of those templates, whether that may be social media templates, video templates, presentation templates, print docs, or whatever one you prefer. And basically, you do need to choose a specific category to create templates on so that you can market only that specific category onto your target market and target audience. Now, you may be asking where you guys could sell these created templates that you have created. Well, you could actually go on other platforms as well to do this. And one of those platforms we could utilize to sell our Canva templates is to go on over onto Leap. So we do have a program or a platform that we could utilize, and this is called the Leap. So just go ahead and search for the Leap over on your web browsers, and you can actually go ahead and launch this program right here pretty easily. This is basically a digital product builder, and you guys could go ahead and create your own product over here, upload the pictures of the templates you've created, advertise it as you would, like putting in the title, the description, the pricing on it, and then of course sharing the product via Leap on the Leap platform onto other platforms wherein you could market and of course target your specific creators or target market that you would like to go ahead and sell these products or your templates on Canva to. Now that is basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.